Welcome everyone. In today's video we're going to hit two birds with one stone. عصفران بحجر. No, actually I'm not going to hit any bird. All I'm going to do is explain this idiom to you. That's it. Let's do this. Let's suppose that you have one stone in your hand and there is a bunch of birds next to you or by your side. Usually you can hit one of these birds with the stone in your hand. To hit two birds is an exception. So when you hit two birds with one stone, you basically accomplish two things with one action or with one effort and at the same time. For instance, you can solve two problems with one action. This idiom is not only used to talk about hitting birds with stones, which is something that I don't recommend. Let's see a few examples to understand it more. Let's suppose that you call your friend and you ask him, "Where are you, man? I was thinking about visiting you this evening." And then your friend answers, "Well, I don't think that's possible because I was thinking about visiting the library today." And then you answer, "Well, that's great. I would love to visit the library." That would be like hitting two birds with one stone for me. In this case, as you can see, the first bird is visiting your friend. The second bird is visiting the library. And the one action is the one visit that you're going to make. Another example of hitting two birds with one stone is learning the English language for a science student. If you are a science student, let's suppose that you're studying computer science. You're very likely going to need the English language to do your research, read technical documentation, and stay up to date with the latest technologies. So when you decide to learn the English language, you will not only be able to excel in your domain and do a great work as a result, but at the same time, you will also get to use this foreign language to speak and read about any topic of your choice. Again, as you can see in this case, the first bird is learning English for work or for science. The second bird is learning English as a foreign language to speak and communicate with others. Now it's my turn to hit two birds with one stone, and I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to take a look at the rebroadcast of our live Facebook this last Thursday, which was on e-learning and the role it plays in the future of education. This video was recorded before the live broadcast and I hope that you will enjoy it. I hope that by now you understand the meaning of this idiom, hit two birds with one stone. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Download your copy of my book English-On to improve your English. Subscribe and share to support this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep working on your English.